Ever spotted a no-cost EMI or easy EMI offer and thought it was the smartest way to buy that new phone or laptop? It sounds convenient, but let's uncover the truth behind these tempting deals. EMI stands for Equated Monthly Installment, letting you split payments over several months. But here's the catch. No-cost EMI is rarely what it seems. Sellers or banks often adjust the price by removing discounts or increasing the product's cost. So you might end up paying the same amount, or even more, than if you paid up front. Watch out for processing fees, which can range from 500 to 1,000 rupees. Plus, goods and services tax, or GST, is charged on the interest portion, even if the EMI is advertised as zero cost. These hidden charges quietly add up, making your free deal more expensive. Using a credit card for EMI can be risky. Your credit limit gets blocked, and missing a payment means heavy penalties and interest rates as high as 30 to 40% annually. This can quickly lead to a debt trap. Always compare upfront and EMI prices, check for extra fees, and pay in full if possible. Use EMI only if it's truly interest-free and doesn't remove discounts. Remember, nothing in finance is ever truly free. Think smart and save money.